Now, where we're going to really be able to use the substitution method is when our revenue functions and our profit functions and cost functions and their marginals contain compositions of functions. So suppose that the marginal revenue in dollars from the sale of X jet planes is R prime of X equals 2X times the quantity X squared plus 50 all squared. We want to find the total revenue function if the revenue from 3 planes is $2,006.379. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to take the antiderivative to get R. Once we get R, then we'll be able to use this information about 3 planes and $206,379 in the form of R of 3 equals 2,006,379, and we'll be able to solve for our integration constant C. We need to do the antiderivative of 2x times the quantity x squared plus 50 squared dx. We're going to let u be this inside function x squared plus 50. Since that means that I'm going to have this 2x and this dx combine into the du, I'll go ahead and move the 2x next to the dx. So u is going to equal x squared plus 50, which means the derivative of u with respect to x is 2x. So du is 2x dx. So we have our u here, and 2x dx becomes du. So when I plug these u's in, I'm going to have the antiderivative of u squared du, and using the power rule, that becomes 1/3 u cubed plus c. To finish off this problem, now we need to put the u in. So we get 1/3 times the quantity x squared plus 50 cubed plus c. We've got our antiderivative. Here's the revenue function. But to find the constant of integration, we're going to have to go ahead and use that information that we had about 3 planes. So we knew that R of 3 was equal to 206,379. So when I put 3 into R of x, I get 1/3 times the quantity 3 squared plus 50 cubed plus c equals 206,379. So I'll go ahead and I'll solve for c by moving everything here over to the other side. So I'll subtract this piece out, and that piece is equal to approximately 68,459.67. So when I go ahead and subtract 68,459.67 from both sides, I get that my integration constant is 137,919.33. So that means that my revenue function is now 1/3 times the quantity x squared plus 50 cubed plus 137,919.33. So if I needed to know the total revenue at any other level, I could go ahead now and plug those x values in, and this function would tell me what that revenue is.